Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix create list not showing on WhatsApp. So the first thing you do is head over to your Play Store. We're using an Android phone, and then you update your WhatsApp. On search, tap on the search bar, update your WhatsApp. So as you can see, mine already updated. If you're using to see an option for update over here. So once you update your WhatsApp, then you go back and check if the option shows. If the option is still not showing, tap on three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings. Then check here, there should be this option for lists. But if it's still not showing, then what you do is you go press down on WhatsApp, tap on the app your phone, and then tap on storage, clear cache. Now you need to clear data. Now you can clear data, and after clearing the data, as you can see, my WhatsApp doesn't have the option for clear data. So what I'll do instead is back up my WhatsApp, log on the WhatsApp, delete the WhatsApp application, and reinstall it. And once you've done that, the option should be there. It's a new feature, but it should be there. It's as simple as that.